Welcome, LENOVO is a LENOVO Tab E7, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that, well, you might not know. So you can see I do have a pattern, and I'll progress from here as though I don't actually know it. So starting off, we're going to need to power off the device, so obviously hold power key, select power off. Once it turns off, you want to hold power key for 3 seconds about, and then switch to holding volume up and volume down. So 1, 2, 3, volume up and down, both of them held together. And there we go. So once you see the ended with no command, what you want to do is hold power key, press volume up once, and we should be in recovery mode now. So let me just flip it to a little bit better perspective. So now, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data factory reset. So let's use volume down to go down, and then confirm it with power key. Again, let's select yes. Wiping data, data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will initiate reboot of the device, and this will also continue the reset of the device in the background. So it will take it about 5, maybe more, minutes to finish up the process, but once it has finished, we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.